Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be sharing one of my favorite interview experiences. That is, I am Koikode. This was the first interview that I gave going to the campus. So I went to Kerala. Koikode is in the northern part of Kerala, and you're supposed to know all about Koikode and Kerala before giving the interview. This is something which you just learn from other people's interview experiences. So let's get right into it. This was like a while back. This was one of my first interviews. So this happened in February 17th ish. The interview experience is divided in two parts, the VAT and the personal interview. Uh, the VAT topic was whether the government should introduce more IITs and IIMs, looking at the current state of education, basically higher education, and so are more such institutes to be added. Is that a solution? Like, what do you think? What are your thoughts? So we were given this topic, and we were given like 10 minutes, I think, to just write down our thoughts on it. And I had some like basic idea during my preparation for the whole process. I had read up on the education in our country. The I remember budget had also come around that time. So there's like some special budget allocated towards education and how it's used and all of those things. So I had some reference. It's great if you can add numbers to it. Like for example, this percent of our budget is allocated to education every year, and you can also compare it to other countries and how the overall system is. So adding more numbers always helps. Then comes the personal interview part. So we were like waiting after our VAT was done. They were just calling us one by one. Like we were giving our panels, and I don't really remember my panel number, but we were like just supposed to wait. So my order on the list was pretty much in the end. So I think I was the last one in my panel to go through. So what I did was I was just waiting outside the room and just asking people, whoever was coming out, that how did the interview go, what were they asking, because you can kind of judge the direction, like if it's going to be your undergraduation heavy or your work experience heavy or just current affairs heavy, because I'm Kohikode is like known notoriously for delving like very deep into current affairs, and that was like scary because I I was not a current affairs person. So this was one of my shortest interview experiences at I am Koikode. I entered, they were like, how's your day going and stuff. And then like they already have your application form which you filled, right? Which has a bunch of questions. So the first question they asked me was that why have I come there at the campus to give the interview, since I come from like quite far away. I traveled to give the interview there. So then I answer that I wanted to get a feel of the campus, like where I might be spending my 2 years doing my MBA, and I wanted to travel and so on and so forth. And that is honestly the reason also, because I am Koikode has one of the most beautiful campuses you've ever seen. So that was also the truth. Then they asked me about why MBA. If not this works out, then what are my plans, and a basic of introduce yourself and such questions. So there were two panel members. There was one a female professor and another a male professor. So all these questions ma'am was asking me. Then like once she was satisfied with my answers, then she was like, "Sir, you can proceed now." So with sir, it was really like a rapid fire sort of situation. Like he was asking questions very, quickly, and like just moving on to the next. Like he gave me like a like 15 seconds to just answer, and then like quickly to the next question he went. So since I come from a computer science engineering background, he was like, I'll just ask her something randomly. So he asked me what is a minimum spanning tree, which if you're still in college you will know, but any thing out of college, like I too did not remember. Like I knew it's a tree. I know what a tree is, graphs and everything I know. But at that point, I was like, I made up some answer, whatever I could understand, because it was like very quick also, so you don't really get time to think it through. Then he asked me, what is the difference between Nasdaq and Nascom. The next question, at that time, Delhi was having its elections. So his question was about the Delhi elections: who won, how many seats, who is the CM now. And he also asked, like, what is Sheesh Mahal. I've read in the newspaper, do you know anything about that? So, like, very casually he was asking. I was just giving my opinion on the thoughts. And of course, like, you have to brush up on this. You have to know what is the current affairs of the city from where you are, and also to like the place where you're going. So I had this much brushed up. Then uh another question was, yeah, he asked me, can you name some union territories in our country. So this again, I was like whatever I remembered, I think I got one two wrong also, but I named like five places. So yeah, I think that was pretty much it. Then ma'am asked me that, okay, uh, do you have any question for us? And I was like, can you tell me some places to visit? Since I'm here for the day, my flight is at night. Can you tell me some places to visit and all? So they were very nice. They kindly recommended me the beaches nearby and some other dolphin visiting places or something else they recommended. So this interview took like 7 minutes. Like that was it. So this was like one of my shortest interview. I don't think anywhere I've spent only this little of time with the panelists in the interview room. So that's how long the interview was. But it was a good experience. They were asking me questions nicely. And at the end also, they were like smiling, and they were like, all the best, nice to meet you. And that sort of was the equation. But I do remember that when sir asked me the difference between Nasdaq and Nascom, and I got like part of it right, something I was saying wrong also. So something which you should like keep in mind is never to fake it. So I clarified in the beginning only, like, so I don't exactly, I'm very sure on this part, but this is what I think, it goes like. So I started like that only. But like after that question, he did like ask me that, so should I assume that you don't read the newspaper then? But then I just smiled, and I said, no sir, I have started reading the newspaper recently only, but I am not aware of this particular thing. So you have to acknowledge when you don't know something, and you don't have to like really stress there and then, like, not have a panic attack in front of the panelists, but you have to answer with a smile. And that gets reciprocated back, is what I've learned given all these interviews. So that was a little takeaway. Yeah, that was it. That was my experience. Now coming to the verdict, so I converted. And I'm Koikode has three courses. They have the PGP one, they also have a finance one and an LSM one. So I only appeared for the PGP one because I did not wanted to exactly narrow down my MBA options. So I was interested in the PGP one only, and I converted it. So that's the verdict. It's a beautiful little city, and it was a great experience there. Now, cue to some images and videos which I clicked there. Thanks for watching.
We just came.
नहीं गया, बस मतलब एकदम वो 100% वाला परफेक्ट भी नहीं गया.